Hi, I am Seek. Let's look at some exciting stuff. Have you ever been to an amusement park or seen rides in the fair? In every fair or amusement park, you must have seen a very common ride that is called a Ferris wheel. The Ferris wheel consists of a blade like structure that rotates. It moves on a fixed axis, continuously changing the position, which defines its motion. Similarly, another ride like a swing has a back and forth motion which shows the repetitiveness of the swing's motion along the same path. Can you differentiate between the motions of these two rides? Yes, we can see that both Ferris wheel and swing have different motions. One is rotating and another repeating after a fixed interval of time. The type of motion showed by Ferris wheel is known as rotational motion, and the motion showed by the swing is called a periodic motion. We now know that motion is of different types. They can be rotating or repetitive. Suppose an athlete is running along a straight line of a 100-meter track. That means every part of the athlete's body moves through the same distance in the same time. This is rectilinear motion or linear motion. If a body moves back and forth repeatedly along the same path, it is known as oscillatory motion, like oscillations of a simple pendulum. Most of the machines that we use or see have more than one type of motion. Let us see how. Some relevant mechanism contributes to the interchange of motion of the machines. Like a train consists of a wheel which is joined to another mechanical part, that is an arm, which moves back and forth, and hence the train moves on the track. The arm connects the wheels. When the wheel rotates in the rotational motion, the connected arm also rotates horizontally, pushing the train ahead in a rectilinear motion. Similarly, the paddle boat works or propels through water only when you paddle. The boat has two chains linked to a mechanical part called gear. A gear helps in the movement of the boat as the rotational motion of paddle is converted to linear motion of the boat. The paddle moves one chain, which rotates the gear to move the second chain, which moves the propulsion wheel. Now, let us catch a glimpse of what we are going to create. After this activity, you will be able to identify different types of motion, analyze how one motion can be converted into another, and create a working multi-motion machine.